If you have not yet prepared your company's business plan, you will probably need an Excel Price List Worksheet to help you make a proper price list and avoid losses. However, one of the greatest difficulties faced by entrepreneurs is the pricing of their products or services. So this is not really a simple task. The value must be fair and at the same time competitive. However, if there is no complete pricing method, simply using the form may not be enough. Therefore, we must first use the cost and sales price formation system to price products or services. For this, we developed a price table, the price table spreadsheet in Excel, and is designed to support the pricing table of services. You can enter the service identification number, service type, description, price, product name, company, address, age, state, postal code, telephone/fax number, and website URL. This was our price list spreadsheet. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.